What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the beautiful state of Florida. You guys are freaking awesome here. If you live in Florida, we want to join you for good. This place is absolutely incredible. Look, the sun's up. It's beautiful, bright and early in the morning. But today we're going to do something a little different content than what you're used to seeing on the channel. So if you're watching this for all the trucks and razor stuff we do, taking a quick break, little family vacay getaway. It's kind of a workcation. You know, my wife Tori started the Unfluencer brand, so she wanted to get a nice place down here in Florida to make some content, and why not? We can do the same thing too. So making the best of both worlds here, chilling, relaxing, and putting in work at the same time. So anyways, guys, we are down in beautiful Treasure Island, Florida. We've been to a bunch of different places down here in Florida, and I'm already telling you, this is my favorite place so far by a long shot. Sorry if it's a little windy on the beach this morning, but we'll kind of take you around. I don't know what this video is going to entail, so if it's not your cup of tea, don't unsubscribe. If you're new, subscribe, because we do a lot of cool stuff on the channel. But anyways, we're just going to be checking out Florida, what it has to offer. Kind of like a review, maybe. Should it be a review? We're staying in a really cool Airbnb condo also. If you guys are like me, I always like looking up the prices, like what would it take to buy this place and we could just stay here all the time. This one's like $1.2 million, so a little bit out of the budget. We're not going to be buying this place anytime soon, but if you do like the video, subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, help us grow. But anyways, yeah, very expensive condo, super sick. Take you through it. You might have seen it in the intro, but anyways, this is freaking Florida, baby. Maybe we'll see some exotic cars. Maybe we'll see some big lifted trucks, SEMA trucks. Maybe not. Maybe it's just all bone stock rentals around here. I don't know, but it's vacation. So here we go. We're gonna have a bunch of fun. Gonna eat good, live good, play good. Yes, let's go, baby. All right, and we are walking out here this morning to check out the new whip. We got this. Oh no, what is the H stand for? Hellcat maybe? Oh, it's a blue Honda or something. But anyways, Asher picked out the color. Look at this bad boy on them 14, son. This ain't even got a diesel in it. I don't know what we're gonna do. We gotta have them diesel, boy. I don't understand why the rent-a-car places don't have any 3rd gens or 4th gens, but they should at least have some Denali's maybe. How do you cut that down, boy? Gonna blow me away. There it go. And you already know we gotta pull up to none other than Walgreens. Gotta load up on stuff here for the trip. Most of the stuff's already there, but anyways, we are gonna get a couple extra items down here. You know, if they got palm trees, you're gonna be A-okay, boy. Look at this place. This place is great. Palm trees everywhere. And all the fun colored buildings too, for that way you really know you're in the beach life. Oh yeah. Get them, boy. That 4G going by. About time we see a diesel down here. But look at them palm trees. Absolutely epic down here. That Sloppy Joe's right there. We actually ate there for dinner last night, but we came on the ocean side. So anyways, you can walk down. What is that, boy? Look at that there going trucking. I'm pretty sure Surf Style owns up like every beach town now. There's one everywhere we go. We've been at Clearwater. We've been at Tampa. We've been at Indian Rocks. Been now Treasure Island down here, Siesta Key, a bunch of places, and there's always a Surf Style. There we go, Bone Stocker. We got another one coming up here. Oh yeah, another one, Bone Stock. You guys got to trick these trucks out. I know you guys got it better than this. All right, so let's head on in and look at this place. Look at that freaking hallway. Nice from the get-go. Look at these marble tile floors, whatever they are. I bet you these things are like 18-inch tiles too, just super epic. As soon as you walk in, it just screams luxury. They got mirrors everywhere. Hello, what's going on there? But come on in, it's the master bedroom here. Again, tray ceilings, everything's all white, LED, nice gray accents, black TV, super clean right there. Come on into the master bathroom, floating cabinets, more of this tile throughout, plenty of mirror space, lights galore, glass shower, just super epic, guys. This is how you live right here. Over there, got all the camera supplies, but yes, look, back out into the hallway here, carrying on through, it just flows, everything's so clean. Well, look at the chrome door handles too to accent. Nice little storage space here, water heater, HVAC system, etc. Nice little touchscreen Set the thermostat right. Then you come on in here, more mirrors, more chrome. Look at that, full-size washer and dryer, super, super epic. Then off of here, notice how the floor, guys, it just flows. And here again, in the secondary bathroom, floating cabinet, toilet, nice little shower in here too, so a nice, nice space. Again, mirrors galore. Come on out here, more floor. There is the secondary bedroom, tray ceiling, clean TV, large TVs in here, epic. Nice little space there for stuff, but yes. And another mirror. See how mirrors are just everywhere? Guys, here's where it gets crazy. Look at this. Look at how epic this kitchen is. All this freaking lighting. Look at how clean. I don't know if that's granite or what, but these nice modern style bar stools, just super epic. Look at that ceiling up there, lights hanging down. This is so freaking nuts. I freaking love this place. Just kind of look around, guys, take it in. And of course the TV there, and then we're gonna get to the view. But look at that white couch, nice little gray table, super clean. Little modern style chair, not very comfortable, but it looks good. All the lighting, and this is what you pay for, the freaking view. Look at Huggy Wuggy, come on boy. Trying to guard that door, boy. Come on out. And look at that, a 6-player table outside. And this whole thing opens up, so you can really have like your whole dang thing open. Look at this. Your whole room is open to the bay. Look at it out there, guys. This is a $1 million view. It really is. And then the glass railing so you can see right down to the pool area. Hot tub there. Clean pool design and just beach, 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 and green everywhere you go. Absolutely epic. What do you guys think? Almost gotta have sunglasses on in the room. I know you guys love them sunglasses, them WWE ones. Come on, boy. But we are getting it. Let's get down and keep going, guys, because this place is so much freaking fun. Let's see, look at it way out there. Look at them go. Them center console, boy, look at it. Just out there eating. Look at the pirate ship, look at it. I think it's a pirate coming to shore. Arr! Why do they have F-150s here? God, I hate that things. What is up with them? They got good stuff too, but anyways, guys, look at this freaking place. This place is like brand new. Literally, they're just like wipe down everything every day. This place is kept so freaking clean. Unbelievable. They're washing windows. I mean, you name it, they're taking such good care of this freaking place, and it's just absolutely incredible. Probably the nicest place in this whole freaking area would be my guess. Not just because it's new, but they really upkeep this sucker. And look at the views. You can just sit here and watch cars all day. That's what I like doing. And then if you go on the other side, got the ocean on the other side, car watching on this side. Best of both worlds. Send it, boy. All the traffic, little slingshot. Oh, look at that. What the heck is that? Side by side? Oh, look at that. We do have Power Stroke Nation out here. Here we go. And it's a limited. It's limited. Look at it go. Oh, send that 6.4. Palm trees and mommies. That is beautiful. Where's all the Lambos? Where they at? All right, it is the next morning and I am just out here trying to figure out why my drone won't freaking fly and having some breakfast. But anyways, guys, the view is super awesome. It's about 6 o'clock, so I'm trying to be a little quiet out here. But just wanted to point out, look at this bike path right here that goes all the way down. There's 1 million people walking up and down this sucker every day with dogs, with bicycles, you name it. This thing goes on and on forever. Super, super epic. So tons of room there, and I really like the way you got the pool right here, nice little beach sitting area right here, some sand, little volleyball court action, and then some trees, some shrubs, or whatever you want to call that stuff, and then there's the Gulf right freaking there. Super cool the way they have it set up here. You can get a good taste of the water, some sun. They have all the chairs facing the sun when it's out. It's been a rain this morning, but fire pit, horseshoes, just all the freaking amenities. Place is super, super epic, and I just love sitting on the patio, having a nice early morning start to the day, get your mind right. And just out on the beach a little early this morning. I don't know how this GoPro audio is gonna do, but You can see it's beautiful, beautiful day again. Chance of rain today, but that's okay. It hasn't rained at all really since we've been here, but this is incredible. Oh yeah, and the seaweed, tons of shells. There's a ton of shells on this beach. Shells everywhere. And fish. You can actually see little fish out in the water, which is super cool too. And the water is super clear. I don't know if you guys can see, but you can see your feet super, super far out. You can go pretty much out, I don't know, about 100 yards or so. It's way out there before it gets crazy. But it's beautiful, guys. This beach is super, super perfect. Rooftop deck. Open it up. Let's see what we got. We are on top of the world up here. Talk about views, mama. And we're back at the old Walgreens here, picking up some more stuff. We always buy a ton of beach stuff and end up leaving it, but it's so nice to have stuff when you're down here. So anyways, we've been acquainted here now for some time. Just been chilling a lot. I thought it'd be a lot more action-packed video, but when you're on vacation, you're just sitting back chilling. Just roll back up in the parking garage here. Nice underground parking here at the resort, or at the condo, but a little Porsche action right there. Now all we need is Denali Max right there, Lamborghini Huracan right there, and we got everything. Look at it, boy. And here we are down at the beach. It is a beautiful day, sun again. We've been down here like every single day, but this is what the Treasure Island beach, it looks like. The water is super warm for the beginning of March. It's already tons of people in it. As you can see, all down the stretch, there's people in the water enjoying it. It's about 78 out today, I believe, and just tons and tons of people, but it is freaking gorgeous out here. You can see all the hotels up there. Walk right down to the beach and just get set up, and it is freaking perfect, guys. Nice white sand, fluffy, feels great, and just love looking out. All the boats and stuff, get a nice center console or something out here. Boy, that would be the freaking life. I don't even know what I'm filming because it's so damn bright. But anyways, guys, I'm ready to get me some sand, get me some water, and get me some sun, and try not to get burnt because I'm pasty, boy. Look at these things. They know where the food's at. They keep coming up here. This one wants to walk right over and be friends. Come here, bub. Come on. You want to chill? Get some sun? Oh, yeah. You got it going on there, boss. Come on down. Oh, yeah. A little C8 action right there. There you go. Okay, we got one. Little Lincoln. Blinking. Mozzie. Look at that Mozzie. Oh, there it go. There it go. Skirt, skirt. Oh, yeah. A little C7 action. Oh, boy, yeah. Clean C7. Okay. There we go. LMM, no tailgate ripping through there. Yes, about time we get something real on the channel, boy. Another 6.7 right there. Everybody's out working today, huh? Work it, boy. Ricky T's for dinner. Let's go to Ricky's tonight. Everybody wants some Ricky T's. Just seen a High Country straight pipe, but here we go to Ricky T's. Look at all the trees and such. This place is beautiful. He dropped a crayon. Where's the crayon? Oh, there it is. There you go, boss. What you like best about this Treasure Island beach community here?
It's just very low-key. Very low-key, I like that. I don't know, the water.
The water, yes.
Just the water.
It is just so scenic, so gorgeous out here. Finding all kinds of treasures. Look at the High Country go, boy. In the Florida rain. For some reason, the Florida rain just hits different than the Midwest rain. It is way less depressing than the Midwest rain, for darn sure. Just in the air, it's just so much better. Everything about this state, it's a real freaking state, folks. Let's go. Look at the rain. Look at it. Just out here enjoying the last of the last here. Oh no. Don't be crying on the camera here. It's closing time, and look at the sunset on the beach. A little bit cloudy. Yeah, just got done raining. Asher waving, and we are saying goodbye this time.
Only for now.
Only for now. I'm gonna be right back, believe it or not. Let me see what it looks like.
Here with that.
Shot of this place at night. Look at that booger, clean. Trying to get some good night shots out here. Oh, look at the palm tree at night too. That looks epic. Little pool action at night too here. Look at the cool lights in the pool. Epic pool lighting, copyrighted music, but getting cleaned up over there. And then the bar ski right up there. Look at that bar ski, boy. Yes, so we will be back soon. Still gonna rank this beach at the top of our list so far. Indian Rocks was super good too. Clearwater is good, Sarasota's good, St. Pete, Tampa, and probably put Daytona at the end, but they were all good. Florida just has so much to offer, guys. You gotta get down here. You gotta check out the beach, the water, the sand, the scenery. It's freaking gorgeous. But anyways, guys, we'll probably leave you with that. Next time you see us, we'll probably be back home, probably be at the shop doing cool stuff, but stick around, subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!